En este canal hemos hecho varios videos de unos personajes de Simpson, pero en esta ocasión lo que vamos a hacer es un personaje que sería la CHINGU AMIGA, que es una youtuber coreana. Así que acompáñame para verla en estilo Simpson. Y para crear el boceto solamente lo que ocupamos es una simple hoja de papel y un lápiz. Y como todos los personajes de los Simpsons empezamos haciendo lo que serían los ojos. Pues aquí lo que va a caracterizar a CHINGU AMIGA son los ojos rasgados, que sería de coreana. Continuamos con la boca de los Simpsons y hacemos el pelo para asimilar que ya pues es un personaje femenino. Aquí ya les voy a hacer un adelanto de cómo va el dibujo porque se me van a aburrir, pero más o menos así está quedando. Una vez que ya acabamos el boceto del dibujo, lo vamos a pasar ya a lo que sería en la tablet para hacerlo digitalmente. Igual lo pondré en cámara rápida para que observen el proceso.
Between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Y después de tanto diseño que le hemos hecho, así es como quedaría CHINGU AMIGA en estilo Simpson. Igual recuerda, puedes seguirme, regalarme un like y decirme qué personaje te gustaría que hiciera. Muchas gracias por ver el video y nos vemos, bye.